Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting rumors and potential features of the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Samsung's smartwatch lineup has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology, and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is shaping up to be no exception. While we're still early in the information-gathering phase, there's plenty to discuss about what this next-generation wearable might offer. Expected release date and price. Samsung has yet to officially announce the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, but if we look at the company's history, a mid-2025 launch seems highly probable. Traditionally, Samsung unveils its latest Galaxy watches alongside its Z-series smartphones during the annual Unpacked event. If the trend continues, you can mark your calendars for a possible release in July or August 2025. When it comes to pricing, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will likely mirror its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 7. That means you could be looking at a starting price of around $300 to $380, depending on the size and specific features. This price point positions it competitively within the premium smartwatch market, ensuring it remains accessible to tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Samsung's commitment to health and fitness innovation will undoubtedly carry over to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Expect popular features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and body composition analysis to make a return. These functionalities have become staples of Samsung's wearables, offering users comprehensive health insights right on their wrists. One of the most anticipated additions to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is the rumored blood glucose monitoring sensor. If Samsung delivers on this feature, it would be a game changer, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. This non-invasive technology would allow users to monitor their blood sugar levels seamlessly, eliminating the need for traditional testing methods. Such an advancement could set a new standard for smartwatch capabilities in the health sector. As with previous Galaxy Watch models, customization will play a significant role in the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's appeal. Samsung is expected to introduce new watch faces, straps, and more personalization options, allowing users to tailor their devices to their unique preferences. Whether you're dressing up for a formal occasion or gearing up for a workout, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic aims to be your versatile companion. One of the most intriguing rumors surrounding the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is the possibility of a new square design. This would mark a significant departure from Samsung's traditional circular aesthetic, offering users a fresh take on smartwatch design. While some might prefer the classic round look, a square option could attract those seeking a more modern and unique style. Additionally, there's speculation that Samsung might bring back the beloved classic model, last seen in the Galaxy Watch 6 series. If true, we could see a lineup that includes a standard Galaxy Watch 8, a Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and possibly a Galaxy Watch Ultra in the future. This diversification would cater to a broader audience, ensuring there's a Galaxy Watch for everyone. Performance upgrades are always a highlight of new Galaxy Watch releases, and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to follow suit. Powered by the latest Exynos processor, the smartwatch will likely offer faster performance, improved efficiency, and seamless multitasking capabilities. Enhanced software integration with Samsung's ecosystem is also on the horizon, making the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic a perfect companion for your Galaxy smartphone or tablet. Battery life is another area where Samsung continues to excel. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic could feature extended battery life, ensuring it lasts through long workdays and outdoor adventures alike. Quick charging capabilities are also anticipated, allowing users to power up their devices in a matter of minutes. Connectivity is crucial for modern smartwatches, and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to deliver in spades. With support for LTE and Wi-Fi, you can stay connected on the go, even without your smartphone. The device will likely include Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more stable connections, as well as NFC for convenient contactless payments. Samsung's emphasis on smart features will also shine through. From voice commands via Bixby to integration with Google Assistant and other third-party apps, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will aim to make your daily life more efficient. GPS tracking, water resistance, and durable build materials are expected to round out the feature set, ensuring the watch can handle anything life throws at it. Samsung has consistently been at the forefront of wearable technology, and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is poised to continue this tradition. One rumored innovation is the integration of AI-driven health insights. By analyzing user data, the smartwatch could provide personalized recommendations to help you achieve your fitness goals, improve your sleep patterns, and manage stress effectively. Another potential game changer is the introduction of advanced gesture controls. Imagine being able to navigate your smartwatch's interface with simple hand movements or even voice commands. This feature could redefine how we interact with wearable devices, making them more intuitive and user-friendly. What's next for Samsung's wearables? The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic represents more than just an incremental upgrade. It's a glimpse into the future of wearable technology. Samsung's focus on innovation, design, and functionality ensures that each new release pushes the boundaries of what smartwatches can do. Whether it's groundbreaking health features, sleek new designs, or enhanced connectivity, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is shaping up to be a must-have device for tech enthusiasts. Conclusion: as we eagerly await the official announcement, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is already generating significant buzz. From its anticipated health advancements to its potential design evolution, there's plenty to look forward to. Samsung's commitment to innovation and user-centric design ensures that the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will be a standout addition to the smartwatch market. Stay tuned to technology in the future for all the latest updates, rumors, and insights on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and other cutting-edge tech. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay informed about the latest developments in the world of technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.